So on this map you can see this is a metal road. This is again a metal road. This metal road connects Hiranagar on the northern side, which is 10 kilometers outside this map, and goes to Lakhanpur, which is 25 kilometers from the southernmost point of this road. This is double dotted Kacha Rasta, which connects this metal road to Narwal town. Narwal town is 5 kilometers from the easternmost point of this map. On the western side you have Mansar Lake. Above this lake there is a village, Bhatoli village. Markha river. This entire is Gagwal Forest Reserve. This is again a double dotted Kacha Rasta which crosses this forest reserve and goes to ammunition depot, which is shown on the northern side of eastern part. This is Bani Valley, a village close to this ammunition depot, that is Janglot village. Here it is a police headquarters. This metal road connects this double dotted Kacha Rasta to the ammunition depot. In Narwal town you can find a multi-speciality hospital. Here on I will be telling you a story. This is a railway track which connects again Hiranagar, which is 15 kilometers from the northernmost point, and goes to Lakhanpur, which is again 25 kilometers from the southernmost point of this road. So I will be telling you a story based on this map. You along with your group came to Mansar Lake for picnic by college bus, as it was the last day of your college, and had to report to the college auditorium for farewell night by 7:30 p.m. When you were enjoying the sight of lake, suddenly a boy comes to you and informs you that the building on Narwal town route, which was under construction, got collapsed due to primary structural element failure. The collapse resulted into major casualties. 2 labor working in that building are seriously injured. When you were listening him and looking to proceed towards the accident point, a forest guard comes rushing towards you and informs you that he was on patrolling of forest when he overheard few dacoits moving towards Sivkhori temple. They traced the only family of black buck in Gagwal Forest Reserve. Today they were planning to hide themselves in the temple and hunt the entire family of black buck, which they will sell to wildlife smugglers at 6 p.m. He also informs you that another guard, who is his colleague, informed him on the wireless that he has seen a group of 4 militants heading towards ammunition depot with arms. They are in plan to attack ammunition depot and blast it at 5:30 p.m. from where they have a plan to escape towards Bani Valley. And once they will be escaping into this valley, it will be impossible to trace them. He added that later he wanted to connect his colleague on wireless but failed to get connectivity due to poor signal. So here on, no telecommunication can be established. On other guards of the forest checkpost have gone to their headquarters along with the forest officer and will be returning back by 8 p.m. A lorry is available at forest checkpost, but battery of lorry is taken by a colleague to headquarters for replacement. When you were planning to get to the end of difficult situation, all of a sudden a young lady comes to you asking for your help, as she informed you that she came along with her young kid to enjoy the boating at Mansar Lake. Her gold chain fell into water at the bank of Mansar Lake. The boatman refused to help her as he got engaged with other tourists. The scale you need to follow for this exercise will be, I'm changing the scale here, 1.5 inch is equal to 1 kilometer. Right? The time now is 4:45 p.m. I'll be giving you this narrative. अभी इसको पलट के रखेंगे आप, पढ़ना नहीं है. Now I will be giving you 5 minutes of time to go through this narrative. But remember, while going through this narrative, you people are not allowed to note down any kind of information. Even you are not allowed to make any kind of mark on this narrative. So no use of pen. Collect all the narratives. Here on, I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to analyze all the problems and write down your solution. Your time starts now. Stop writing. Collect all the sheets. Here on, I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to go for a group discussion and look for a common solution. Your time starts now.
That the building has been likewise,
and there is a debt. Two labors are in the yes, concluded that the first priority problem.
There are first problems and the three are the major problem and one is minor We can divide the groups into three parts, group A, group B, group C, such that all the groups should have members 3, 5 and 2. Problems, three are major and one is minor, and further on we divided the groups into three subparts, group A, group B, group C, where group A consists of 3 people, group B consists of 5 people, group C consists of 2 people. And all problems but the point should be that the problems that are facing towards the, we are not having all the vehicles properly. I believe that one headquarter and one will be headed towards the hospital and second one will be heading towards the there is police department between the hospital, so we have 5 member and 1 member from the group will go to the police headquarters and another will go to that group A, group C, there are 5 people, there are 2 members and
so that the problem number 1
that we have the as well as suggested is
And they will be heading towards the
First of all, take a meeting from the police station.
Hospital within 5:20 p.m. and the rest of the 4 members all will be heading towards the whole active class 6 p.m.
You can say that they will be able to attend temple with the people of Batori village and taken the
You can go and save the flag.
We all agree over there that we have 10 We can easily take some lift from the NH1 which is only 2 kilometers from the Mansa Lake. So we will be able to reach at police headquarters within time.
We can take personal help from
village and walk towards the Shivkari temple inside of the forest, and from there they consider a battery in the village and make the
We should move on to third problem, that was group C. Group C will
from the police headquarters only.
We also can inform the parents and post at the border
in 60 kilometers per hour speed, because that is from their Metal Road.
Yes, they can reach so that the PhD from that we can see for the temple.
I agree with just number 57. And many people will be available at the villages. So 2 decades only. They must be having with some ammunition or
ammunition department time with the policeman. Where police are also there and their vehicles will be there so that they can let's move further on that action. Yes, we can also let we can give and for if we have
Okay, stop your discussion. Stop your discussion now. Any one of you can come forward and give me solution on map.
Likewise, gentlemen, we have concluded that there are four problems, and yes, sir. Likewise, from the Manesar village, we seek for the help from the Bhatoli village. There are different peoples. We have divided the group in 3 subparts: Group A, Group B, Group C. Group A consists of 5 people. Group B consists of 3, and Group C consists of 2 people. Group B informed the Bhatoli village. I was in the Group A, and soon from that part of traveling 1.5 kilometers with the help of bus, we took the NH1 and went there for the building under construction by the 5:10 p.m. And by seeking the help, we went to the Narwal town, which was the 15 kilometers away from that, and helped the labor that were under the constraint situation or in the casualty. Further, sir, the Group A, which was on the PHQ, held the by the help of the Bhatoli village, went to the PHQ because they helped in the battery situation, and then at PHQ informing that we informed them and went to the ammunition depot for the betterment, and we traveled the approx from there to there. We traveled around 50 kilometers with the speed of 60 kilometers per hour, and we were there on the time, and police were able to neutralize all the enemies. And the Group C, the Bhatoli village people held them to fight against the arm and ammunition of the Shiv Khori temple. And when we all the concluded, and we came to the Mansal Lake around 6:45 p.m. and we took the help of the people and find the gold chain of the lady within 15 minutes, and we went to a situation, or we went to a college by 7 o'clock.
Anyone who wants to add something? No. चेस्ट नंबर 52, बहुत इंडिविजुअल कन्वर्सेशन करते हो तुम ग्रुप के अंदर. यू वर टॉकिंग डायरेक्टली टू 76, ईदर टू 76 और टू 36. इन दोनों से आप बस डायरेक्ट बात कर रहे हो, बाकी ग्रुप मेंबर से. ग्रुप में जब बैठे हो तो इंडिविजुअल एड्रेसिंग नहीं करना है, ग्रुप एड्रेसिंग में रहना हमेशा. ठीक. 11, बहुत सहम करके बात करते हो ग्रुप के अंदर, थोड़ा खुल के बात करिए. 280, थोड़ा ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा जोर लगा देते हो. नॉर्मल रह करके बात करो, ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगी. ठीक है. चलो. 260, थोड़ा कैजुअल रहते हो. एक तो कम पार्टिसिपेशन है तुम्हारा, ऊपर से बहुत सुस्त सा रवैया रहता है ग्रुप के अंदर. ग्रुप में जब बैठे हो पार्टिसिपेशन अच्छा होना चाहिए, थोड़ा अटेंटिव रहो ग्रुप के अंदर. बॉडी लैंग्वेज अच्छी होनी चाहिए आपकी. ठीक. चलो.